Hello, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to some more Factorio Space Age. So I kind of have this thing. I just downloaded this off the blueprint and just kind of threw it together, trying to get all this stuff sorted out, just so we can make the science. The spoilage stuff on this planet is a pain in the butt. I'm not sure I'm a fan of the mechanic. But it is what it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and jump into travel to a space platform. We're going to go to Serenity. So we're going to go ahead and go back to Serenity. So we kind of have this planet kind of opened up, kind of figured out. Let me get here. I don't think we have anything fun left over on Volgora yet. I still don't have any armor made. I'm trying to get some armor made. I think I've made mistakes on how I make this stuff. I do have 2 of those things in there. We do have one of those, 2 or 3 of those. So I'm slowly working on those things. So we're back in here. The next trip for us to go to is to tell this guy, let's get us another station. We're going to add Vulcanus, right? And then we're going to go ahead, add a weight condition here. And we're going to say, where is it? Circuit condition, that's fine. So we just leave those blank, so that way it basically will stay there. Because if I don't, it will basically get there, do what it needs to do, and then bolt. And we don't want to do that. So we're going to go ahead, jump back on the space map. And we're going to Vulcanus. So here we are traveling from Gleba to Vulcanus. And then we'll have the 3 beginning planets. This one's supposed to be warm. And we have all kinds of fun stuff there. So the trick will be to get there, kind of figure out what's going on, and hopefully have a fun time kind of hanging out there. And then the other side too is to make sure that we have enough stuff kind of dropped down to us, and hopefully not get hit in the head with a drop pod again. That hurt last time. This the old ship here is doing good. Another reason I'm trying to get to Vulcanus is to get the last little bit of things that we need from there open, so that once we have this stuff here, we can do this. Now I want to probably take. Let's see. Do I have? I do have a transport ship. So let me get back to Navaris. We're going to do this guy here. We're going to tell it to build a new space platform, right? And then Anderson A. Olson. Let's see. Transport 3. I'll probably name these something different in the future. So that way we'll go ahead and get that guy loaded. And then what I'm going to do is have once I get that thing into space and we have it, we'll paste our blueprint onto it and have it start building our transport ship, so that we can have another transport ship that kind of will run to the other location for us. At some point, we'll probably end up having a ship that will kind of travel between and a little bit better. But right now, it's mostly to bring that stuff back. Hopefully, I don't have the spoilage stuff. Like I get it. Like, it's a cool idea. So we'll have the thing start being built. So we'll come back to this thing when we're ready for it. So we're going to go ahead and drop to a planet. And then we're going to go to Vulcanus here. And that should yeet us out of that. And we can go down and see what the lava planet's like. So the idea of travel to the planet Vulcanus. Lava processing. Okay. All these things I've just blatantly ignored. All right, so let me guess. Do I get caught on fire? What? I can't step in the lava. Oh, I was really ready to be caught on fire there. All right. Let's go first thing first. Let's go back up to Serenity. Let's do this guy. Let's go. Let's get a couple of these. Get a couple of those. Couple of those. Couple of those. Couple of these. We'll send some lava down there just in case. Definitely want to send at least some of these guys down there. Send some boxes. These are all good things to have. So we got most of that stuff down there. So that is all well and good. All right, so that will all get that guys down there. We're going to send Serenity back to Navarus to have it reload. And then we're going to go find one of these guys has robots in it. Robots? There they are, robots. And then once I do that, I can do this. Boop. Pick up all those things for me. It's the best part. And then, so we'll have those going. Oh, good. Things are on fire. That seems normal. Why are my robots... Oh, my robots are taking damage? I don't know what they took damage from. They took damage from something. So evidently I need repair bars. All right. So now here we need to figure out. I want to figure out something to mark this area with. So I should be able to do that. So that will show me, that blue mark will show me where kind of our landing spot is for now as we go out and look around. Why is the map over here weird? Why? Like I said, I've kind of stayed away from the a lot of spoilers. I haven't watched a bunch of videos. I'm not sure why. It's the big red spot kind of makes me scared. That's a coal spot. So we definitely have coal here. So what is it that we need to find that will allow us to research things here? Where are you? Aren't they open? No. Tungsten. Why can't I research tungsten? Okay. It seems like I can. Calcinite processing. So I need to find calcinite. And then I've already found tungsten carbide, it looks like, at some point. So did I just... Oh, I must have just picked some up. Okay. So let me get this guy. So I need to find calcinite. Oh, good. Lots of cliffs. It's been a while since I made cliff explosives. You know, these guys picked up. Now, I don't know what damage. I wonder if it was just the fire. Yep, the fire. Okay, so them falling through the fire causes them to be damaged. Okay. All right. Still not sure why. So I still need calcinite. Okay, what's that down there? What's this? Calcinite. Okay, I found calcinite. I can't get to it, but I found it. All right, so now we have calcinite. All right, so now we have calcinite processing researched. All right, let's go check on Serenity, see how she's doing. Hurting. Missing a bunch of stuff. I think we got most of the little stuff in. No, we're missing a lot of stuff. Probably low on rockets. All right, let's head back over towards this area. This seems like a good place to start. Let's start here. All right. So I have some iron, some copper I found. Okay. So we figure out here. Let's do this. And this stuff is just all kind of, it's going to take me a while to get through all that stuff. Carbon, captivity, plastic bar productivity. All right. I need to get that guy right there. So I need to get a foundry. So I need to basically make a tungsten carbide. So if I bring Serenity back, because I didn't bring down a smelter. Okay, so we'll go ahead. I think it's going to wait until that rocket gets up here. That's probably what happened. It's burning all of my rockets to try to get to this thing built. So it probably put a large problem with getting these things built so that we have enough stuff on it. It's going to take it a minute, but that is fine. So okay, so Trinity's moving now. All right, so let's get back to the starting area. Then let's see, there it is. All right, so there's our starting area. Just waiting for that to get back. I'll holler at you when Serenity gets back. All right, we're back. I got Serenity back in orbit. I'm going to go ahead and drop these things down on my head because that will probably be helpful. All right, so we got that stuff going down. Let me go here and look, and then logistics, quality, lava processing. Fluid can be pumped in any offshore. Process any foundry. And molten fluid, copper fluid. Move waste by moving them to the waste items by moving them to the okay. So if we just drop rocks into the lava, it destroys it. All right. So we basically need. I want to see something too. Let's see. There it is. There. Get that. So I need to get this guy down here. I'm gonna put this guy in. Okay. Cannot be smelted. Okay. Then how do I get the first one? Let's see. Let's go there. Tungsten carbide. Oh, you need tungsten. It's sulfuric acid. Oh, that's going to be awkward. Uh, all right. So if that is, I get sulfuric acid from that. Calcinite. Where is acid neutralization? All right, where is sulfuric acid? Alcohol liquefaction. Nope. I've gone blind again. Sulfur. Advanced asteroid, biosulfur. Technology research, sulfur processing. Gathered from a faded chimney vent. Okay, so I can get sulfur here by destroying a faded chimney vent. I need sulfur. There's more calcinite. I figured like I'd be able. Oh, there. What's this thing right here? Oh, there it is. Do that. There's a bunch of them over there. Do that. Pick up all the sulfur. Pick up that sulfur. All right, so that should give me a little bit of sulfur. Okay. So that guy will pick up all these. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, let's run back. I'm still, this whole, like, I'm not sure what this whole thing up here is. I'm not a fan of it. Fine, we'll pick up the robots since everyone want to be slow. Glad I got those portable reactors on. It makes picking up and dropping things off a lot faster. All right, let's get back down here. So, which also means I need to drop some blues. I need to drop. Let's see, where are we? Oh, it's right over there. Let me get back over here. So we need to drop some. Let's see, chemical plants. All right, so we need to drop chemical plant. We need to drop these guys. All right, so, and then we'll work on making sulfuric acid, which means I'm probably going to need a couple of things here. Get that guy. Get those guys. All right, so sulfuric acid. Need to grab this guy. And then I need to make sulfuric acid. This. The problem is I need water, which is going to be a problem. Let's go back up to Serenity. Do we have... We should have ice up here. Ice. I wonder what's going to happen if I drop ice to the surface of this planet. Do that. Probably should go ahead and drop this guy too. So I want you to make water. And then the next thing I need is power. Let's see. I got some of these guys already. This guy needs... So that's got water. We'll get sulfuric acid. We need this guy like this. Easy enough. This guy like this. That. We'll put you in there. Because... Can we not... Oh, I think that's where I get carbon from. Can I put these in here? Do these burn? Oh, no, it's electric. Never mind. I don't need to do that. B. Let's do this guy. Let's see. Let's do that. All right. Those guys are built. So let's go back up to Trinity. We need to get... Let's get our drop station ready. Let's see. Where's our drop station? So let's send that thing down. Let's send those guys down. All right. So that stuff should all be coming down here. Wonder if I could just stick a heat pipe in the lava and get power that way. That'd be cool. All right. Get that guy. All right, so we'll do that. That will get us a little bit of power going. Get us a drop station here. That is powered up there, so that should start working there. That should start working there. Let's see. Oh, you need power. Fine, you jerk. All right, so that's all powered up. So that should be making sulfuric acid as soon as I put that guy in there. So now we're making sulfuric acid. Let's go ahead back to Serenity. Let's get us a... actually, I don't even know if I need... I think I'm going to have it eventually. All right, so... and then let's go and put down this guy. And then this is going to make us... Where is... There it is right there. Tungsten carbide. Okay. So we'll do that. Do this. Do this like that. Right, too many of those. Nice and wasteful. All right, so that is all that guy going. Now I just need to put this guy in here, and I put this guy in here like this. And now look at that. Now we have a tungsten carbide. And that should give us the ability to start making that. Which will then open the ability for us to... Where is... Oh, big drills. Big mining drill. So we need to make a foundry. So basically we need to make a foundry, and then we can get the big mining drill. So I'm all for that. Okay, so let's get a foundry. So what do we need for a foundry? Foundry. Nope, that's electromagnetic. Oh, there's the foundry right there. So I need basically 2 boilers and a bunch of concrete and heat pipes. I think I have all that stuff. So let's go ahead and get back up to Serenity. Let's send down the heat pipes. I should have 50 boilers. There's 50 boilers. And then some concrete. Let's send some of that down while we're at it. All right. All that stuff is coming down. Fancy. It's nice. It's nice that I have all the stuff I need to build the stuff in the ship. Makes my life a whole lot easier that way. So we'll pick up all this stuff. All right. So now we have all that. Now I should be able to, you know what? Just make all of them. That's fine. You know what? Let's send Serenity back. Once we've got it unloaded, I'm gonna send it back so it can start reloading, and hopefully transport 3. So transport 3 is done. It's basically starting to build its loops up, so it can start doing what we need to do. Really, what I was trying to do is get the foundry up to or start getting stuff ready, because I don't know if I can use the foundries in space or not. But I'm gonna do some crazy stuff. So we built this thing. I don't remember if I showed it to y'all or not, but ultimately I'm gonna build this as a drop ship, and we're gonna basically make a just a platform that just drops stuff to the planet, which will be helpful to us. But right now it's just kind of sitting there. All right, so now we've got these guys. That's a heating tower. This place is hot enough. I don't think... Oh, no. I'm making heating towers. That's not what I wanted. All right. Anybody that caught that was laughing at me. Oh, this is going to be not fun. So I need to probably send tungsten carbide back to the... Because trying to get oil here may be complicated. Let's see. I think that gives me, yeah, so taking out those trees. Just a little bit of damage to the guy. They're just running through fire. We'll get the trees kind of taken out there. A little bit of damage. Yeah, they're basically every time they fly through the fire, which kind of makes sense. We got all those guys done, so that gives us a little bit more carbon. So let's get that guy there. A guy like that. A guy there. A guy there. Put that down like this. Yeah, you're fine. Let's put those in there. Put those in there. That's fine. So those will all work. Do I have? I didn't bring a RoboPort down. All right, so we've got a RoboPort. So the problem is I don't know if we have oil here. I don't see oil. What's this? Oh, we can just pump sulfuric acid out of the ground? Okay. We don't have oil, but we have sulfuric acid. So the problem is what I really need to do. It's going to cause me some problems because what I really need to do is build a spaceport here because I could bottle lubricant and bring it back. Yeah, so it's the lubricant that's going to kill me. Like, I can just bring bottles of lubricant back. I think I have everything else on Serenity. So here if we have, yeah, I think we have, oh, we don't have green circuits here yet. So let's get some green circuits. I need lubricant bottles or lubricant barrels. Okay, so let's see. So I need and refined concrete. I don't think I have refined concrete on Trinity either. Yeah, refined concrete. Okay, so we'll get refined concrete coming up there too. So hopefully I'll get all those. I know I don't have lubricant barrels down on the planet. So we'll go over here. I need to go find someplace that I have lubricant, which is here. Oh, do I have that's sulfuric acid. And then do that. Get this guy here like this. And let's get where is lubricant barrel? Fill that guy up, right? So that's easy enough to do. Do like that. You'll see all of this stuff like that. That guy like that. Get rid of that. All right. So once all those guys get filled in, that should bring us barrels, and that will allow us to send basically lubricant barrels up to the planet. The problem is how... Yeah, so I need 100 of these things. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So I need all 10 of those. I need basically 10, so it fills up one rocket full of them. Because it won't process them unless it has that many. Which means I need a buttload of barrels left. Let's see. How many barrels are over here? May need to set this thing up. We're going to have to put more barrels into the system. I need to get this guy here, there, there, to there. And then if I change this guy to enable, disable, and I want to say, let's see. Come on, barrels. Okay, and I want, basically, right now I have 50 of them, and I want it to be 100. Actually, we'll do 120. Set constant there. So that way, once that guy gets up to basically 120, it will turn off. So that way we don't have extra barrels. Because I don't want to have too many barrels into the system. So that should slow that down and not make it a disaster. That should allow us to start getting this guy as making it. But like I said, it's going to end up needing... We're going to be here a minute. Gonna be here a minute. All right, so that is all going. Let's get back up to Serenity. See, refined concrete. Am I making that? I don't know if I'm making refined concrete. What do I need for refined concrete? Refined concrete. I think I might be making refined concrete. What are you? So you are just regular concrete. So if I go... Where is this guy? You are refined concrete. Look at you. Let's do this like that. Like that. And like that. We'll get those guys built. So that should start loading refined concrete in. And at least have us enough to... Oh, now you need power. Oh, no. All right, try that again. Once again, with feeling. All right, so we'll have to get all the extra pieces that we need. Once we can get them out there, we can start requesting them down, and we can have it start building things for us. So there is those guys. So that will start loading as quickly as it can. Then once... Yeah, it's gonna murderize some processes here, because I only have one of these things going. Because I was like, I won't need very many of these. Far from it that I know. All right, so that stuff is all going. All right, so if we go back to Serenity again, and then we look at that, and now eventually, once these guys kind of get all figured out, we're just gonna send a rocket full of yeah. So there's a 1,000 refined or well, maybe no, it's 100. So it's sending 100 up basically at a time. And then we should get all the rest of the stuff up at some point. We may just be waiting on rockets. All right. So we're down here. We got all this stuff going. And then watch me figure out some way to get stuff here figured out. And I find out I get like oil from like calcinite or something. It's just stone. Oh no, there's calcinite. All right, so calcinite here should be. I want to go here. I want to go to. There's all the ores, sulfur, what parts. Okay, there's those things. There's calcinite. All right, so we can mine it using that way. Used in. Oh, simple coal liquefaction. Oh, okay. Produces heavy oil. So I can make oil here. And and that gives me steam. Okay, and then I can use coal and water to make thrust oxidizer. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh no, and I need water still? Oh, maybe it just makes extra. Oh, it makes a bunch of thruster fuel. Okay. So this here, we do have that. So in the old refinery, I need coal and calcite. Okay. So we need coal and calcite, and then that will give us the ability to make that. That will give us heavy oil. So if I do, I don't want that one. This one's fine, even though it's not the best power poles. Let's see. Let me do this. I'll do this, and then I'll do this. I'm gonna get rid of all these guys. Nope. You go away. I'll go away there. And then let me get this guy. That. That. Nope. Flip horizontally like this. Yes, actually, this is probably be a better idea to change these guys to like that. And we'll do this. Now I need to get my drills back. So somebody send Serenity back to me. Back to Vulcanus. We'll go down here. We'll get these guys. And you're just going that way. That's good. All right, so that stuff will all be out that way. That will be all good. We'll eventually get the big drills. That will be very helpful. But in order for us to do that, we need to get these other things going. Now, do we have... Oh, nope, I need that. I need Trinity back for that too. I am failing on all types of missions here. All right, you go back there. You go there. You go there. Oh, that one's fine. We're just throwing down, and I just throw these down in the beginning, just because it allows me to at least have some sort of power to at least get started. I'm sure probably at some point we'll have some other way to get power here, but until we get to that point, I want to just have some power. So we'll just throw down solar panels. At least gets us started. All right. All right. I think we're out of solar panels. All right. Now we're just waiting for this guy. It's almost here. Come on. It's so slow. Get this guy here. Let's get... I need miners. Mining drills. Nope. Let's get those down here. Let's get those down here. Let's get those down here. Where is... Get those down. Let's get those down. I am missing... Oh, I need those. Where are my drills at? Why is it so difficult to find them? I have completely lost... I'm blind. I know I have them. No, that's the offshore pumps. Oh, there they are, right there, drills. Did I already have drills down here? No. How do I not have drills on the Trinity? I have... Did you guys just forget to pick them up? All right. Well, we'll send Trinity back, and then see if they can figure out their life and pick up the parts that I need. All right. Let's go up here. Let's throw down. At some point, we will have this guy right here. Nope, not that one. This guy. Like this. All right. So you're going to go down here. So I'm going to take coal and calcite, and I need sulfuric acid. So with that, it means I'm going to end up having to go down here and basically pull sulfuric acid and get that going also. So let's get... We'll get all these guys in here for now. I'm just going to throw a couple of these down. I'll work on getting the rest of them up here in a minute. Oh, I'm out of pipes again. All right. All right, so those will all go up here. End up feeding more pipes. So that goes there, and then this one will eventually go here. So we'll end up going, and that way we have sulfuric acid into here. And then all we need to do is bring basically sulfur and calcite over, and that will give us that stuff. Unfortunately, though, that's going to have to wait till next time. Trying to start shortening these up a little bit. They've been doggy long. So I'm trying to get back down, but there's just so much new stuff to try to figure out and so much stuff to do. So we'll get Serenity back. We'll get it loaded up, and then we'll try to get another video out this afternoon or this evening. With that, y'all being all being said, if y'all like the videos, please remember to throw a like on them. If you have a question or comment, concern, you can leave that down below. And if you are not subscribed and you would like to be, there's a button for that also. With that, you guys be safe, and we'll see y'all later.